You're right. You know, you can stand back for a second.
Oh my gosh. It won't tip over, right? Because you're doing that?
I'm holding it with the other one.
Oh, okay.
I'm holding it with the fork. Okay. You know what? Pete, get that box. Put it down, open like that. Perfect. The biggest danger is it falling back and splashing. Now that there's nothing to splash, it's pretty safe. Ready? Hold it tight, big man. There you go.
You don't want to drop
Go for it.
Open the door.
Even if it fell, I'll still eat it.
Wait, Goldie! It's out! Guys, I can go
Just put it right here for now and then, Imagine the Dyson. Like in Christmas Story?
Yeah.
Luna gets first dibs.
I do.
Luna.
No, I said Luna, not you. The dog.
Luna cannot get first dibs. She's too succulent.
Succulent?
Yes, we're gonna eat her one day.